My name's John Kirkegaard. I'm a farming systems agronomist. We're working in Australia for CSIRO, which is the National Science Agency. I've had an interest in brassicas in farming systems for about 20 years, since canola or oilseed rape first was introduced to Australia, and from that developed an interest in also using them for cover crops, and now just a general interest in how we can use brassica species in farming systems. When we use oilseed rape in the farming system as a rotation crop for wheat, we get very much improved wheat yields. And we found that interesting because other crops like legumes you might expect to be better crops, rotation crops for wheat, but the brassicas seem to have something special. So for a long time we've been interested in trying to understand what brassicas are doing that make them special. And that led us into this whole area of biofumigation, the fact that brassicas can release particular chemicals into the soil which can suppress some of the pests and pathogens and diseases. So we've been trying to harness that, try to replace some of the synthetic chemicals that we use in agriculture with some of these other biological approaches, and that's really been our focus for some time. Well, we've had a series of these symposiums starting in 2004, and we actually had one in Australia in 2008, so I'm a little bit of a, what would you say, an old boy. And so I'm really pleased that the Harper Adams has picked up the baton and that we're able to meet again, because you know, as is evident here at the meeting, there's still a lot of interest, there's still a lot to do, and it's really great to see some of the progress that the various groups around the world are making, and also now in the UK that there's a really good node of activity here at Harper Adams, focused mostly on potato cyst nematode, it seems, but yeah, a really active group here, so that's great.